In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new chat with keyboard shortcuts on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're looking to streamline your messaging experience or simply impress your friends with your tech skills, understanding these shortcuts can be a game changer. So let's dive in and explore just how easy it is to get started. When using WhatsApp Web, efficient navigation can significantly enhance your user experience. By employing keyboard shortcuts, you can save time and make things far more convenient. Now, if you're using a Windows or Linux system, the shortcut you need to remember is Ctrl, Alt, and N. Simply press these three keys simultaneously, and voila! A new chat window will appear, ready for you to type in the name of the contact you wish to chat with. For those of you on a Mac, the process is just as straightforward, but uses slightly different keys. You will need to press Command, Ctrl, and N at the same time. As with Windows and Linux, this combination will swiftly open a new chat window, enabling instant connection to anyone on your contacts list. Let's talk about some tips to ensure you have a smooth experience. Firstly, make sure your web browser is active and the WhatsApp web page is open. These shortcuts won't work if you're not currently in WhatsApp Web, so double check that you're on the right tab or window. Additionally, familiarity with your keyboard layout is crucial. Shortcut efficiency derives from muscle memory, so try practicing the key combinations a few times. This will help you navigate effortlessly without having to look down at your fingers every time. If you ever run into issues where the shortcut doesn't appear to work, check your keyboard settings to ensure there aren't any conflicts with other shortcut commands from different applications or system preferences. Also, it can help to verify that WhatsApp Web is fully loaded in your browser, as sometimes connectivity issues can temporarily disable or delay functionalities. There's no harm in experimenting a little and moving around the interface. Navigating WhatsApp Web using only shortcuts can be a bit of a shift from using a mouse or trackpad, but once you get used to it, it could potentially feel much more fluid and natural. So there you have it, a quick and simple way to open a new chat on WhatsApp Web using keyboard shortcuts, whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac. Hopefully this tutorial helps you become a more efficient and savvy WhatsApp user. Dive into your chats quickly and enjoy the seamless flow that these shortcuts offer.